Hello, students. Today we will be starting with a new chapter for the kids of grade 2, and the name of this particular chapter is Conjunctions. Conjunctions are basically joining words. We use conjunctions to join two words, phrases, or clauses together to make one long sentence. And conjunctions are also known as connectors. A conjunction. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is like a glue. It helps things to stick together. A conjunction joins words, phrases, and sentences, which are called clauses. Now, if I tell you conjunctions are joining words, what do they join? They join words, group of words, and sentences. Use of conjunctions. Conjunctions are used depending on how suitable they are for joining different words or sentences. The conjunction and is used to join words and sentences that have related or similar ideas, and the conjunction or is used to join words and sentences in order to show choice. And the third one is but, which is used to join words and sentences, which is not in this grade for you all. Okay, the first conjunction that we will discuss now will be and. We use and when we want to add something to something else. For example, bananas and an apple. Now, between these two fruits, we use the conjunction and. Second example is I have a bag and a hat. So here we are not discussing about any choice or something. So we will be using the conjunction and as we are connecting two words, which are bat and hat, bag and hat. Third example is the kids are having a party and they are happy. So in this particular sentence, we used and to join both the sentences all together. So therefore, and is a conjunction which helps to connect two sentences, words, or group of words. Now, next coming up is the conjunction or. We use the conjunction or when we have to make a choice or we need to choose amongst two sentences. For example, as you all can see, we can eat pizza or we can eat burger. So here we are discussing about what these two kids actually want to eat, pizza or burger. So here choice is coming, right? So we will be using the conjunction or. We always use the conjunction or when we need to make a choice. Now we will be solving an exercise. Join these sentences with and or. First one, I bought cake, candles, and ice creams. So in this particular sentences, we will be using the conjunction and because it is connecting two words. All right, there is no choice in this sentence. Second is, would you like tea dash coffee? Tea or coffee, or will be the answer. Conjunction used because we are asking a person whether he or she wants to have tea or coffee. So here we are giving that person a choice. So or will be the correct conjunction used. Third one, my favorite colors are green and brown. So here green and brown both are the favorite colors of a particular individual. So we will be using the conjunction and in this particular sentence. Fourth, Alice fell down dash hurt her feet and hurt her feet. So we will be using the conjunction and in this particular sentence. Lastly, the fifth one, do you play cricket dash football? So here we are asking a particular person whether he or she likes to play cricket or football. We are asking about the choice, right? So we will be using the conjunction or. So, children, I hope your concept is clear and you have understood this particular chapter well. Thank you.